Good luck. Godspeed. 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 Good luck. Godspeed.
Fathom speed. Everything. Everything. Everything is under control. Everything. Everything. Everything is under control. 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 Under control. Control.
Godspeed. Godspeed. Godspeed.
Welcome to track 7. This one's to all our brothers and sisters who are alive and awake. Terry and Jean, you're alive and awake. Sounds like my Bible. To Rob Watson for the amazing string arrangement, and Jill sent me, you're alive and awake. My brothers in the crucified, you're alive and awake. My brothers in the prayer chain, you're alive and awake. The prodigal sons, the dance house children, Yo and Wilson the jungle, you're alive and awake. To wish for Eden, you're alive and awake. The late great scattered few, you're alive and awake. Circle of dust and deedophobia, you're alive and awake. Rock Comics, Johnny Man, and my brother Al, you're alive and awake. To the early teens in La Sierra, you're alive and awake. To all our friends in the tri-state area, you're alive and awake, and we're coming back to strobe for the aggro guitars on the riff. You're alive and awake. One more time. Sounds like my buddy.
Hey, did you like it?
I like it, Jeannie.
But I was really close to the mic and you were far away. Should we do it again?
Did you like?
Did you like it?
I liked it, Genie.
I dig on them crazy grooves. The young people are really gonna dig on this vibe.
Love vibration.
I'm vibing too, bro.
Loving.
Cause the kids are gonna think it's a little bit out of it, bro.
Oh, the teens dig it.
No, the young people are more sophisticated these days.